morning. We're going to be starting today with a Honda Passport. It's going to be magnetic gray paint to match this after I remove the damage. I don't think I'm going to have to grind this. I'm going to try to sand all this damage out and then repaint it. If I have to use the grinder, it'll just be right here. I should be able to get this done with just the sander. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll be working on this momentarily. Should only take a few minutes on this one. Also, you can check out the links in the description below, products and tools I use for wheel repair. Pretty much everything I use is down there. But let's get started on this. It's got pretty heavy undercoating, so the damage is coming out really easy. Should do it. Now we'll scuff everywhere I just sanded. 1500 grit scuff pad here. That's in the link or in the description below also. I use these a ton. These they wear out pretty fast because they clog up with the dust. A little more chipping right here. Dust off here. Ready for paint. Again, this is the magnetic gray. Should be a link to this paint down in the description below also. Cover that with clear coat.